Is budgeting confusing? Let's simplify it in three easy numbers: 50, 30, 20. What is that, you ask? Let's talk about it. I'm breaking down the easiest budget ever, the 50 to 30 to 20 budget. Really simple. So I'm going to be looking down at my notes because I want to cover a few things with you. Okay. Let's get into this. See, what is the 50, 30, 20 budget? A simple method that divides your income into three categories. Okay. One is 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. That's simple. Needs, wants, debt, and saving repayment. However you want to do that. Now, let's break down a quick example. Your monthly income is $3,000, okay? Your needs is 50% of that. So that makes it 1,500 for your rent, your groceries, utilities, and transportation. Those are your needs because you got to take care of that every month. Your wants, 30%. That $900 you can use for dining out, your subscriptions, shopping, or whatever you want to do with it. Then that 20% that you have left over, you can either put it in savings or debt or pay off a debt or do both. Do half for a debt because you get $600. Do three for savings and three for towards your debt. That simple. Yes, I know that's based off of a $3,000 income, but hey, no matter what your income is, that's how you can break it down. Okay. Now, why it works? It's easy to understand and follow. Keep spending balance within tracking for every little detail, and it encourages savings without feeling guilty. That's pretty much what it does. Okay, that's why it works for people because it don't make you feel restricted. Because once you get those bills out of the way, that 30 and 20, you just make it work for you. Now, when to use this budget? It's perfect for beginners. Works well for those who have a steady income. 'Cause I know some people's income fluctuates, and it's great for people who need flexibility. So technically, that's everybody, because you're going to have those good weeks, those good months, bi-monthly, however you get paid. So this is going to be a good plan for you. Now, tips for making it work. Okay, use the percentage at the starting. When you first do this, use those percentages and adjust them as needed. Okay. So that 50, 30, 20, you can always adjust that. This is your plan, okay? Keep tracking your spending for at least 30 days because you got to see what the pattern going to be, okay? Because if you don't track it, you don't know if this plan is working for you. So if you do those two things, you check your percentage when you first start, you track it for 30 days, see if this is a good plan for you. And that's just that simple, y'all. That is the 50, 30, 20 budget. Hey, you can't beat that. Hey, if you made it to this point in the video, I want to say thank you. Please do me a favor, drop a comment down below. Let me know that you've been listening to me. I love the peace sign. Drop the peace sign for me. I'm trying to bring these videos for you to try to help you with your income, okay? And this is for everybody. Now, with that being said, I'm shooting 5 videos in this series. I've already brought you the zero base budget. I've already brought you the envelope budget. This week it is the 50, 30, 20 budget. Next week it will be pay yourself first 80, 20 budget. And then the week after that, the reverse budget. So I hope you are checking these videos out. You don't have to play them in order, but if you look at it this way, choose the one that's right for you. And hey, like I always say, thank you for checking out my videos. I want to say, hey, if you made it this far, you're looking out for yourself. My name is Gary B, aka Uncle G, and like I say in all my videos, I do the research, I live the life, you just gotta follow. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.